Today we're going to take a quick look at this fingerprint door handle or door lock. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video, and this is pretty simple to set up. So it does come with all the stuff that you need to set it up, parts, spare parts, different things like that. Also has keys, so you can use it with keys, you can use it with a passcode, you can use it with your fingerprint. Those are 3 different ways to unlock it. There's also a button here, and I'll show you in a video in just a moment, where you can just long press it, and that puts it into a pass-through mode, so it doesn't lock the door every time you pull it shut, and it allows you to go in and out until you activate the lock again. So to install it is pretty simple. It's very much like a regular door handle that you would install, so you do have 2 sides of it. Now the plate comes off of the inside door portion, and there's a wire that you push through it, and it does have to have 4 AAA batteries to be able to power that side of it. And it's just a little set screw that puts the plate back on there. No big deal at all. Probably took 5-10 minutes to put this on the door. And then once you get that set up, there's our detailed instructions of how to walk through and program it. So it's very simple, and it actually talks to you. So let's go over and listen to just a little bit of those prompts here.
Enter administrator information. Verification succeed. Press 1 for administrator setting. Press 2 for common user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 for resetting.
So that's a little bit of the settings. Now here's how it operates. So you can see that the door is locked. Now I'm just going to put in a passcode. Don't want to show that on camera. And then you can see a flash there verifying it worked, and it's going to unlock. Now it takes a couple seconds. You'll see it flash again. That's going to lock the door. Now I can use the key to unlock this. So you can see there is the key to unlock the door, and then last but not least, I can do the fingerprint open just like that. And once again, there is the button here on the inside, and this comes with all this metal piece, everything right there on the door that you see. Here's the button. You just long press it. It's going to make a locking sound, and it's not going to automatically lock anymore. And that's kind of the pass-through mode. So if you're looking for a really nice door lock for your office, for your dorm, for your bedrooms, whatever that you need it, then this is definitely going to work for you. Hope this helps.